Καλησπέρα κυρίες και κύριοι. If you love pasta, this is a dish you must try. We begin with a pot of boiling water, add some olive oil so the pasta doesn't stick, salt to season the pasta, and now the pasta, 8 to 10 minutes cooking time for al dente, and give it a really good stir. I let the pasta cook for around 9 minutes. It looks ready to me, so let's drain it and start making the delicious, lovely sauce. We'll need a pan, medium heat. Let's add some olive oil. We begin with 2 garlic cloves chopped up, and we're going to let them cook in the olive oil for a couple of seconds. Half a diced onion, and we're just cooking it a bit to get it started caramelizing. I'm adding the pork sausage now, which I cut into thin round strips. You could use pork or beef sausage, whatever you like best. We want to cook the sausage until it starts turning a bit golden brown. Now that we see the sausage has a bit of a golden brown look, let's add the mushrooms. These are sliced white button mushrooms, and we're going to cook them with the sausage until the mushrooms take on this golden brown color and become really tender. Now that the mushrooms have that golden brown color and they look nice and tender, let's add the tomato sauce. And along with it, we'll add a bit of tomato paste to deepen the flavor. We're going to stir everything around so the tomato sauce and the tomato paste cook for a few seconds. Let's add 1/4 cup of water. Three nice pinches of salt, 2 nice pinches of pepper, two nice pinches of rigani, one chicken stock cube, and 1 bay leaf. Mix everything around a bit, and let's put in another 1/4 cup of water. We want to let the sauce simmer for around 8 to 10 minutes until we see that it's nice and thick. And this is what we're looking for, a nice thick tomato sauce. Let's add in the pasta, then we'll stir everything so each piece of pasta is nicely coated in that thick tomato sauce, and everything is well mixed. As soon as everything is well mixed, you are ready to serve. And here it is. If you're a pasta lover, you're going to absolutely love this. It's quick, easy, and so delicious. Every bite is packed with flavor. It's comforting, satisfying, and perfect for any night. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.